show you guys how to modify and adjust your tools. And what's a man without his tools, right? So stay tuned, I'm gonna show you how to adjust your tools. Don't try this at home. But they fade can get away with it. So this is the lucky clipper. You want to start with this one? Check us out. So step one, I'm going to take this top piece off. This is called the moving blade. 1 drop of clipper oil. Right here. All we need is a drop. Grab your iPhone, smartphone, timer, on your microwave, on your oven, on your phone. Whatever you gotta do, man, get a timer. Set that thing for 1 minute. Brand logo on this side. One more time. And just like that, the brand logo. It's that simple. Hey, okay. Make it, boy. You gotta make it. If you're doing a lot of kids cuts, maybe don't make it too sharp. It's good to have multiple pairs of liners so that when you're doing a lineup, you have 1 pair of hitters. When you're doing cleanup, you have another pair that's not as sharp. What we're gonna do is the black on the money blade setter. Very simple. Now, if you can see the blade is not in all the way, we're gonna push these down and it snaps. So now it's locked in place. Go back to your moving blade that we had before. It's gonna go right back on there. Now it's currently not set. You literally just have 1 job. Keep these screws on here, just loosen it. We're gonna loosen this and this. And now you can see this blade is moving. The piece that it's setting on is moving. So we're gonna hold it forward. And as we're pushing it forward, we will tighten it up. There you go. We have 1 job, we executed. So now to take it off, it's very simple. I'm holding the setter, and I'm going to, shit. You can keep that part in there. Now to take it out, we just simply pop this, a little bend. And now we have a modified and sharpened. I know you see that. I know you see that. So the very tip of the blade is tapered off. We have multiple choices here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it onto my Andis T outliner. So we throw out our old blade. Don't lose your screws. Here's the old blade. You wanna clean this off as much as possible. We're gonna take our modified and adjusted blade. We're gonna line these up right in the middle. And then boom, you hear the snap. Now it's lined up with these 2 holes. So what's next? So I'm holding it, I'm keeping some pressure as I screw this in. I'm not gonna go all the way tight on this first side. It's still a little jiggly, which is okay, because I wanna have both screws on first. And then I'll tighten them. So I get it ready with my own finger. Now we tight. We're gonna see a blue light. So when I go for that lineup, it's gonna hit. It's gonna hit. Stay tuned. Kosai, come here real quick, brother. What are we doing today? We doing taper? Well, we're gonna chop him off. And we didn't even realize it, but my man needs to be chopped off.
I think it's going down today.
It's going down?
I think it's going down.
All of it. What do you mean? This is my man before. Now in the beginning of the video I said Abraham Lincoln, if he was going to chop down a tree, he had to spend 3 hours sharpening the axe. So we sharpened our axe. Now we're going to chop this tree off. Yeah, we're going to chop the tree down. Stay tuned. The liner is about to hit. We got it modified. Okay, we got both blades coming at you.